I'm so scared because if I announce it, then it's real. Yeah, Rico and I are over.
So sorry, Maris.
Sounds weird.
Okay lang ba mag-share ka, Maris? Kasi parang emotional ka.
It's fresh. It's been a few weeks. Loneliest, emptiest weeks I've ever experienced in my life.
So, I know, may pinagdadaanan ka nga. Pero ano, paano ka nagko-cope up ngayon?